Hi, here is an absolute beginner introduction to some of the Cath lab equipment, those used for intervention. Here is the Indeflator, and as you can see, it has a male end which will be attached to balloon and stent shafts. It has a dial that shows atmospheres of pressure that you generate. It has a handle, and it has, in the case of this one, 2 settings that you can turn it to. There's the up and down, as the arrows show, or you can twist it to allow the Archimedes screw to be activated. And you can see as I turn it that the device inside is turning. The Indeflator device can be used to draw up a combination of saline and contrast into the chamber. The tip is submerged in the bucket, and you can withdraw to get as much as you need. You can then push with the air column on top to expel unnecessary air out of the top, as you can see here. Here I have attached the tip to the end of a balloon apparatus. You can expel any unnecessary air in the tubing by turning the 3-way away, and you can then start to expel any unwanted air out as follows. And once you're happy with that, you can turn into a neutral position, which allows a communication between the Indeflator and the tubing. Next, our standard approach has been to turn the device down like so. Notice that it is still in the up-down arrow position. And then, this is the next part that is cumbersome initially to beginners. We pull back to create negative tension, after which you turn the device to lock it in the rotation position. Once the balloon has been advanced to the area of interest, you can then unturn, which will cause the device to fall back down, and then start to turn the Archimedes screw to inflate the balloon like this. When you're ready to deflate the balloon, you go back to the vertical position and you pull back, and then you lock it. Using an Indeflator is a lot easier than it seems. There are really 2 positions: the up and down position for moving the device up and down, and then the turn position for inflation.